Dryer vent cleaning on yachts is something that is often overlooked, but is critical for fire prevention and proper laundry ventilation. For years, our team has relied on a trusted step-by-step process to ensure thorough dryer duct cleaning using our powerful HEPA filter vacuum system. We start by a detailed visual inspection of the ducting and all components to assess the condition of the system. Next, we remove and clean the lint trap using a rotary brush and HEPA vacuum, ensuring that all debris is cleared away, and our high-velocity power jet blower to eliminate stubborn lint buildup. Once cleaning is complete, we reinstall and secure both the lint trap and ducting to restore the system to its optimal configuration. Before wrapping up, we test the dryer and monitor its performance for 15 to 20 minutes to ensure proper airflow and functionality. A final HEPA vacuum ensures all surfaces are clean, and we apply a certification sticker to confirm the service is complete and compliant. With our expert dryer duct cleaning process, your system operates efficiently and safely, reducing fire risks and enhancing performance.